Hi, Jeff here from TAP, and just with our issue 101 7-stage focus on 4-wheel drive servicing and repairs. So a good part of 4-wheel driving, etc., 4-wheel drive vehicles is our shock absorbers, our suspension system. So the Roadsafe shock absorbers here, 4-wheel drive shock absorbers, are a great product with great local testing. So not only have they been road tested right here in Australia, both on sealed and unsealed roads, they are certainly engineered to last, especially with our harsh conditions that we've got here. We've also got local fitting stations here, which people have been fitting them for a while to making sure that the fitting of them is first class and goes in straight away. So we don't want any slight having to do any modifications. They've been tried and tested to fit straight into the applications applicable for these ones, for these vehicles. So again, with versatile options, again, you've got a couple of options. You've got the nitrogen gassed up to 35mm bore of the shock absorber, or up to foam cell, which is up to 40mm bore configuration. So a couple of different options for you there. Superior engineering, oversized bodies again. Again, the oversized body allows for greater heat dissipation and also increased oil capacity. So it gives that shock absorber a much better chance to be able to survive those harsh conditions of the 4-wheel driving. Again, customers that have had these fitted to them are coming back with superb results and satisfaction, saying they've been fantastic. Very, very happy with them, especially in severe 4-wheel driving as well. Again, under extreme driving as well, they've been coming up with some fantastic high quality chrome finished shafts on them, which is to minimise wear and resist chipping, etc. Heavy duty double mounted welding, etc. So the welding, double mounted welding points on the shock absorber. Again, just to add strength and durability to the shock absorber. So they've got Roadsafe's got a real commitment to excellence backed by decades of experience. So again, a fantastic product, well built. Feedback from industry and from customers has been first class when they've fitted these to their 4-wheel drive. So certainly well worth considering next time you've got a 4-wheel drive coming in that requires some shock absorbers. Again, Roadsafe is a product of the Babcock Group, part of the staple products of the Babcock Group, and fantastic quality and endurance. So again, certainly very, very safe to talk to your customer about Roadsafe shock absorbers. See you next time.